Let's check in with meteorologist Joseph Daves, keeping an eye on our forecast this afternoon.
Yeah, beautiful forecast at that. 87 degrees for the Dalles. We're near 90 degrees for some communities. We have the Dalles. Pendleton, I think, is also in the upper 80s, and we'll look at that here in just one second. But a beautiful view, maybe some smoke and a little bit of haze up in the sky, but other than that, it's just a wonderful, wonderful day. 70 degrees coming down Mount Hood, where it's going to be very overcast. It's going to be very tough to even see the mountain as we head into the weekend. But for now, the blue sky is very inviting. We're at 78 in Portland, 87 coming out Pendleton. We have Burns at 81, 88 for Bend. Yeah, 60s there for the coast. I thought we'd be close to 70, where Astoria right now is at 68 degrees, so not too bad there. We still have that stream of cloud coverage to the north of us, high pressure really developing and building over the top. That's what has allowed us to see the sunshine and the warmer weather for today, and it sure is nice. But the question I've been getting a lot is, when is the rain going to arrive? And as you know, we've been talking about it, pushing in on maybe Friday night into Saturday, but there's a kind of a change to the forecast. And I'll pinpoint that here. As we look at the weather pattern, there's that ridge. It kind of just departs off towards the east, falls apart. We have this little disturbance right here moving in on Thursday. Now that's going to produce some clouds and maybe a drop of rain here. But it's what's following that, and that's going to be the colder air and this atmospheric river that sets up by the time we head into Saturday morning. Not so much Friday night anymore. So that rain chance is definitely going to increase by the time we get into Saturday, so be prepared for that. I think most of the morning and into the afternoon is going to be wet. I'll show you on our future cast here. The rest of Tuesday is dry. We get into tomorrow morning and afternoon about the same. The only thing that we'll notice maybe tomorrow is a few clouds trying to move in along the Oregon coast. Not so much the moisture just yet. Thursday, though, clouds move into the valley. We may have a couple spotty showers, but Friday is when we see the biggest change in the forecast. I've been watching this since Saturday now, so I've had a couple days here. And by Friday morning, we may actually have some breaks in the action. It may stick around for the early afternoon and evening, too. Here's 7:30. It still has the rain way out there, and the clouds fairly far away too. So I think we're actually going to see a little more sunshine on Friday, which may lead to temperatures slightly warmer. But then the rain does arrive late Friday night, close to about maybe midnight or so, and then it carries over into Saturday morning and into about midday. Notice even at that point in time that snow levels drop a little bit. We'll probably have some fresh snow on the mountains as we go into the weekend, so we'll have a nice view of that. And then by the time we get to Sunday night, we have another round of moisture. So the forecast rain totals for this event, here's by Friday afternoon, maybe some very light rain. Watch what happens Friday into Saturday. We're up to about a ½ an inch by 9:30 in the morning. Not quite an inch yet for the coast, but it'll get there. By 8:30 on Sunday morning, we're over an inch probably in the valley, areas like Vancouver. Hood River over a ½ an inch, the Dalles up to about 4/10 of an inch. So this is going to be some good moisture here. In fact, Astoria and Tillamook probably going to wrap up the weekend with over 2 inches of rain. All right, it has 75 degrees for tomorrow, so still a pretty nice day. And then there's that change on Friday where it looks like we're mainly dry in the lower 70s. But again, Saturday and Sunday, lower 60s with some showers. By Monday, 62 degrees. Dan, Emily.
Thank you very much.